Hi, this is Janet Eifert. In this video I want to show you how to do quick mental subtraction in your head. How to take away big numbers in your head. So, at the end of the video you'll be able to do these sums you can see on the screen now. And you'll be able to do them in your head with practice. Okay, so let's get started. Now we're going to start where you start subtraction, by taking away 1. Okay, so this is for any level student to start here. This is the one who start and the one who can work much faster as well. So we have 12, we take away 1, in other words we end up at 11. So we jump back 1 minus 1, we get to 11. Now if you are at 19 you have to jump back 2. There's 19, go back 1, 2, you end at 17. So you're always going to see this number line in your head and much more numbers there. And try to see that in your head and then make your jumps in your head, okay? The rest is for you to do. You need to pause the video now and quickly do those. There's the answers, pause your video and check your answers. Okay, we're going to take away 1 and 2 from larger numbers. Now you can see we're already on 26 in the workbook. I cannot do every single step with you I do in the workbook, but this is how much practice I will give you in the book. If you are at 32 and you jump back 1, you will go to 31, okay? The rest is for you. Please pause the video and do the rest. There you go, there's your answers. Please pause the video and check your answers. Okay, now we're on page 48 of the workbook. We are taking away the numbers 5 to 9 here, a little bit bigger numbers. So we have to make more jumps. If you are at 31 and you jump back 5, you are at 31, you jump back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where would you end? 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. Okay, pause the video and you try to do the rest. There's the answers. Please pause the video now and check your answers. Now we are going to take away 10. So in other words, we're going to make one jump of 10. We are going to look at not doing separately, but going back 10 in one jump, which will bring us to 60. So that's quite helpful. It's quite easy to make a jump of 10, and this is going to help us to do the rest of these sums. If you have to subtract 11, you have to take away 10 and take away 1. Okay, so 70 take away 10 is 60, and if we have 60 and we take away 1 from that, we get 59. If we subtract 12, we're going to take away 10 and take away 2. So 43, we take away 10 from there, we get 33. And then we take away 2 from there, we jump back 2 jumps, and we go to 31. Okay, now it's your turn. Please try the rest. Pause the video. There's your answers. Please pause the video and check your answers. Page 67 of the workbook, we are doing taking away 10 again. Now you can do these on your own. How will we subtract 9? We can take away 10 and then we can add 1. Okay, so if we have 36, we take away 10 from there, we get 26, and then we add 1 to that, it is 27. Subtract 8, you take away 10 and then you add 2. So take away 10 and add 2. 18, if we take away 10 from 18, we have 8, and we add 2, that brings us to 10. Now you already knew probably, hopefully, by looking at this that the answer is 10. But this is just confirming that our method is working for when you have a bigger number. In the workbook, lots of practice on all the number sizes, okay? Pause the video and you do the rest. There you go, answers. Please check your answers, pause the video. Now let's take away 20. We don't have to do that one. It is probably, you can just quickly see what is 26 take away 20. You can see it's 6. Okay, 60 take away 20. Let's think we are at 60. We jump back to 50. And we jump back another 10 to 40. Okay, so take away 20. You can try those on your own. If we subtract 21, we are going to take away 20 and then take away 1. So if you have 36, you take away 20, what do you get? 16. And then you take away another 1 from that, it is 15. Okay, if you have to subtract 22, you're going to take away 20 and take away 2. 43 take away 20 is 23, and take away another 2 from there is 21. It's your turn, pause the video. You do the rest. Okay, we're moving to the answers. There's your answers. Please pause the video, check those answers, make sure you can do them confidently. In the workbook there's lots more practice. Pause the video. Now you can take away 20. By now you know how to jump back in 2 jumps of 10. We're going to subtract 19, where you're going to subtract 20, and then you're going to add 1. We're going to subtract 18, where we're going to subtract 20, and then we're going to add 2 to that. Okay, so if we do this one, 38 take away 20, that gives us 18, and 18 plus 1 is 19. If we have 37 and we take away 20 from that, we get 17. Okay, and we add 2 to that, and we get 19, yeah? Now pause the video, it's your turn to do the rest. There's your answers, please check the answers. Pause the video to do so. Now we're going to take away 40. That is a bit more tricky to take away 40. 70 take away 40, what is that? You can think of 7 take away 4 also, or you can jump back in steps, in tens if you want. 60, 50, 40, okay? And then 2, 30. Subtract 39. You take away 40 and then you add 1. So if you have 66, you take away 40. That means you get 26, and if you add 1 to 26, that gives you 27. Subtract 41, you're going to take away 40 and take away 1 from there. Okay, you have 76, you take away 40, that gives you 36. You take away 1 from 36, you get 35. Okay, it's your turn. Pause the video, you do the rest. There's your answers. Please pause the video and check them. Okay, subtract 99. How will you subtract 99? You will take away 100. And then you're going to add 1. So if we have 403, we take away 100, we get 303, and we add 1 to 303, which gives us 304. 98. If you have to subtract 98, you can take away 100 and then add 2. Take away 100 and then add 2. Okay, if you subtract 97, you can take away 100 and add 3. What is 700? Take away 100. It's 600. And 600 plus 3 is 603. Okay, it's your turn. Pause the video, you do the rest. There you go, there's your answers. Pause the video and quickly check your answers. Okay, take away 1000. Can you take away 1000 from there? You could have only said 9 take away 1 is 8, so it's 8040, yeah? Try to see how you jump 1000 back. If we subtract 999, we are going to take away 1000 and we're going to add 1. So if you have 3007, take away 1000 will give you 2007. And then you add 1 to that, which gives you 2008. If you subtract 998, we are going to take away 1000 and then add 2. 4060. Take away 1000 gives us 3060. And then if we add 2 to that, we get 3062. Okay, at this stage it's your turn. Pause the video and you do the rest. Also note that we are on page 79, so lots of practice in that workbook for you. We're moving to the answers now. There's your answers. Please pause the video and check those answers. Okay, now we are back where we started. This is the sums that you wanted to be able to do in your head. So now you can test yourself and see how you get on with that. If you take away 100 there, you take away 100 and then take away another 1. Use the method I taught you. Take away 10 and take away 2. Okay? Pause the video and try this. There you go, there's your answers. Pause the video and check your answers. You've also reached the end of the video now. Thank you so much for listening. Please download the workbook and please also go to my next video, which is addition to, where I will show you a subtraction to, where I will show you how to subtract these numbers in a column. Also, there's lots of other videos. If you liked it, please subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you for listening.